Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of spreadsheets? You're not alone. Spreadsheets have been the workhorse of data organization for decades, but let's be honest, they can be clunky, siloed, and a nightmare for collaboration. So what if there was a better way? A way to manage your projects, track your data, and keep your team on the same page, all without the spreadsheet chaos? Enter Monday.com, the popular work operating system that promises to streamline your workflow and eliminate the need for endless spreadsheets. But here's the question. Can Monday.com truly replace spreadsheets? Can you create a full-fledged spreadsheet experience within the platform? Let's dive in and find out. The power of Monday.com boards. Monday.com doesn't work with traditional spreadsheets. Instead, it uses a system of customizable boards. These boards can be tailored to fit any project or workflow, allowing you to visualize your data in a way that spreadsheets just can't. Columns within the boards become different data points, and each row represents a specific task, item, or entry. This flexibility is a major advantage. Imagine a marketing campaign board with columns for tasks, creating social media posts, designing email content, etc., deadlines, assigned team members, and even budget tracking. Monday.com lets you create these custom boards with ease, giving you a clear overview of your entire project at a glance. But wait, there's no formula bar. Okay, Monday.com offers amazing visual organization, but what about the calculations and formulas that are the bread and butter of spreadsheets? Fear not, number crunchers. While there's no dedicated formula bar like in Excel, Monday.com packs a punch with its formula column. This hidden gem allows you to create basic formulas to perform calculations on your data within the board itself. Need to calculate total budget spend? Track project duration? The formula column has you covered. It's not as robust as a full spreadsheet program, but for most basic calculations, it gets the job done. Collaboration is king and queen. One of the biggest weaknesses of traditional spreadsheets is collaboration. Sharing a spreadsheet can quickly turn into a version control nightmare, with teammates accidentally overwriting each other's work. Monday.com shines in this area. With Monday.com, your entire team can access and edit the board simultaneously. Changes are tracked in real time, ensuring everyone is always on the same page. You can also assign tasks, set deadlines, and add comments directly within the board, fostering seamless communication and collaboration. Spreadsheets versus Monday.com. So, can Monday.com completely replace spreadsheets? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. For simple data organization and basic calculations, Monday.com offers a user-friendly and collaborative alternative. The visual board system makes it easy to track progress and share information with your team. However, if you rely heavily on complex formulas and pivot tables, Monday.com might not be a perfect fit. While the formula column offers basic functionality, it's not a substitute for the power of a dedicated spreadsheet program. The best of both worlds. The good news? Monday.com integrates seamlessly with popular spreadsheet programs like Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. This means you can leverage the power of Monday.com for project management and collaboration while still utilizing spreadsheets for heavy-duty data crunching. Ultimately, the choice between Monday.com and spreadsheets comes down to your specific needs. If you crave a more visual, collaborative way to manage your work, Monday.com is a fantastic option. However, for those who live and breathe complex formulas, spreadsheets will likely remain a go-to tool. Monday.com isn't a direct replacement for spreadsheets, but it can be a powerful companion. By understanding the strengths of each platform, you can create a workflow that keeps your projects organized, your team on track, and your data singing in harmony. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.